Hi and Assalamualaikum. So this is our excitement CHM and we choose perfume as our main topic for this excitement. First of all, let me introduce to you our group members for this excitement CHM. The first one is me, Ismahani binti Lahori. The second one is Ain Hasana binti Rusliani. And the third one is Darisha Maisara binti Ikmal. So, I, Ismahani binti Lahori, will start with our introduction about perfume. We all know that perfume is combination or mixture of essential fragrance and aroma compound, binder, and solvent used to impair a pleasant smell to the human body, object, animal, food, and room. The earliest history about perfume was found in Egypt. According by many research and reference, people in Egypt used perfume made by insect and cinnamon. They always use perfume for a ritual ceremony such as birth to death. Jabir ibn Hayyan, who is known as father of modern chemistry, has produced perfume using many techniques such as distillation, evaporation, and filtering technique. There are many types of perfume. First is EDP, ED perfume. EDP contains 15% to 20% fragrance oil that making it stronger and long-lasting. It can last from 4 to 8 hours per using. For example, EDP can use at special event or dinner. EDP fragrance are usually made complex than lighter essence with a blend floral, woody, and spicy note. EDP perfume usually is more expensive than EDT perfume and EDC perfume. The second type of perfume is eau de toilette. I would like to continue what my friend has mentioned it before. Furthermore, the second type of perfume is eau de toilette, or known as EDT. Eau de toilette is come from French phrase which is faire sa toilette, which is meaning getting ready and also preparing oneself. EDT is widely used types of fragrance because of its light, fresh, and also subtle character. After that, EDT has a fragrance oil concentration ranging from 5% to 15%, which is lighter than more concentrated perfumes like eau de parfum. As the result, the scent is refreshing and clean with an emphasis on top notes such as citrus, herbs, and also light flowers, but the fragrance fits more clearly than higher concentration perfumes. The lighter of EDT makes it an excellent choice for an environment rather than strong fragrance. EDT fragrance can last from 3 to 5 hours and it tends to disappear more quickly than EDP. The third type of perfume is eau de cologne. Eau de cologne, in short, it is called as EDC. EDC is a type of perfume with a low concentration of fragrance oil, typically 2% to 5% only. As the result, it makes EDC fragrance light and refreshing with a scent that lasts 1 to 2 hours. EDC is known for its citrusy, herbal, or floral notes, which makes it ideal for daytime wear or warm weather, such as in professional environments or during casual outings. With its lighter concentration, EDC is more affordable and perfect for frequent reapplication throughout the day.
Hi, my name is Dawisha Mesara binti Ikmal, and today we're going to talk about ingredients contained in perfume. First, we have essential oil. Essential oil provide the distinct scent profile that associate with different parents. Example including rose, lavender, jasmine, and citrus oil. Then we have fixative. This ingredient help fragrance last long on the skin by slowing down the evaporation of volatile oil. There are two types of fixative, which is natural and synthetic fixative. As we can see, there are example of diethyl phthalates in the perfume. To calculate the total number of electrons in diethyl phthalate, or known as DAP, first we have to know the molecular number, which is C12, H14, and O4. As we know, each carbon atom has 6 electrons, so we need to times with 12, and it equals to 72 electrons. Therefore, hydrogen atoms has 1 electrons, and we times with 14 atoms, and it equals to 14 electrons. Afterwards, each oxygen atoms has 8 electrons. Then we need to times with 4 atoms, and it equals to 32 electrons. Finally, by summing up all the contributions, which 72 plus with 14 plus 32, and it equals to 118 electron. So diethyl phthalate, or DAP, has 118 electron. Okay, next we have solvent. Solvent is typically alcohol-based liquids that help dissolve and carry fragrance oil. Water and ethanol is the most common solvent in the perfumes. To determine the electron number in the water molecule, or known as H2O, we begin by analyzing its composition. A single water molecule consists of 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. Each hydrogen atom has 1 electron. Since there are 2 hydrogen atoms, so we have to times 1 with 2, and it equals to 2 electrons. Then oxygen atom has 8 in total. Now, by adding the electron from both hydrogen and oxygen, which is 2 plus 8, and it equals to 10 electrons, or as we know, H2O has 10 electrons. Then we have to calculate the electron number in ethanol. To calculate it, we have to know first we have to know the molecular number, which is C2H6NO1. Now let's break it down to composition. Ethanol consists 2 carbon atoms, 6 hydrogen atoms, and 1 oxygen atoms. Each carbon has 6 electrons, so we have to times 6 with 2, and it equals to 12 electrons. Next, each hydrogen has 1 electron, so we have to times with 6, and it equals to 6 electrons. Then the oxygen atom has 8. Finally, summing up all electrons from all elements, which 12 plus 6 plus 8, and it equals to 26 electrons. And we know that ethanol has 26 electrons. Lastly, we have aroma chemical. These synthetic compounds are created in labs to mimic or enhance natural scents. They offer versatility, consistency, and often affordability compared to natural ingredients. Examples include aldehydes, musk, and amber. Okay, now let's move on to the last part, which is ingredients that make perfume durable. The ingredients that primarily contribute to a perfume's durability are known as fixative. These substances slow down the evaporation of the volatile fragrance component, helping the scents linger longer on the skin. Here are some common fixatives used in perfumery. First, we have natural resin and balsams. These plant-derived materials such as benzoin and labdanum have rich resinous character and excellent physical properties. Secondly, we have animal notes, traditionally derived from animal sources. These ingredients, including musk, civet, and ambergris, have powerful, long-lasting scents. Lastly, we have synthetic molecules. Modern perfumery relies heavily on synthetic preservatives like ambroxan, which offer versatility, consistency, and often better performs than natural ingredients. Due to ethical and availability, synthetic alternatives are now widely used. So that's all from us. Thank you for watching. Bye.